On November 13, 2019, a federal grand jury sitting in Boise returned 12 indictments against 15 members and associates of an Idaho gang called West Side Loma on drug trafficking and firearm charges. The West Side Loma are a gang operating in Caldwell, Idaho, with a history of violence and drug trafficking. Remember that an indictment is a means of charging a person or persons with criminal activity. It is not evidence. It is merely an allegation. All defendants are presumed innocent unless and until proven guilty beyond a reasonable doubt in a court of law. The Treasure Valley Metro Violent Crime Task Force conducted the investigation that led to these charges. The investigation spanned from October of 2018 to October of 2019 in Caldwell and in Nampa, Idaho.
The FBI and the participating member agencies formed the task force with one very specific objective in mind, and that is to disrupt and dismantle gangs and criminal enterprises. And the way that the task force accomplishes this mission is by conducting long-term, complex, multi-subject investigations. The indictments announced by U.S. Attorney Davis today are an example of how the task force fulfills its mission.
I think it's important to note to today's announcement that although this is a large number of indictments, gangs do and will exist in our communities throughout the Treasure Valley, throughout the state of Idaho. This is a significant hit, like Doug said, against the leadership of that and their functionality, but I don't want people to presume that this effort that we take on day and night against gang activity and criminal activity of any sort, whether it's outlaw motorcycle gangs, the gangs we see today, West Side Loma and others, or even the cartels, because it is truly out there. It's going to be out there day in, day out, and we have to keep constant vigilance. Today is significant that we are addressing the crime by individual gangs, individual members, that we are going to identify you, we are going to investigate you, we are going to prosecute you, and we are going to convict you and remove you from our society. And that's a promise from us in law enforcement.